Word for today, Mr. Joe.
Okay, Rani, the word for today, I just want to advise you. Abantu, abantu mabaphathe kakuhle man.
Yes.
And then like kungabi ngqabana.
Yes.
Like noba senza ntoni ungabi ngqabana.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the reason for today. It's like sazaneni ubuntu.
Okay. Mr. Franz, what is the word for today?
Okay, for me, a word for today, it's all about the matric.
Yes.
Immatriculants, guys, ingathi ikhona problem. Yoba Department of Education uyafela sometimes.
Yes.
Because sizawubhalisa abantwana bazawubhala ngoDecember.
Yeah.
But i-department iyafela nansi
support.
and as fast.
Yeah. Yabanike imali nje kodwa.
No. Apha ngaphela ndoka eLimpopo. Abantwana bakhutshwe ezindlini.
Yeah.
Bakhutshwe ezindlini